Water systems are critical infrastructure that must perform reliably during and after natural disasters like wildfires. Unfortunately, wildfire size, duration, and intensity have grown beyond historical norms, impacting populated areas with greater regularity. The ability for first responders to combat the wildfire can be the difference between containing the fire and potentially life and death. Once a wildfire is extinguished, having clean and safe water to drink is just as critical as it was to fight the fire. U.S. Pipe manufactures resilient ductile iron pipe by melting recycled scrap metal at approximately 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. Most wildfires average 1,400 degrees Fahrenheit with temperatures nearing 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit in extreme cases. Even though these temperatures are well below ductile iron pipe's melting point, U.S. Pipe wanted a test to know for sure. U.S. Pipe conducted a controlled study to measure our ductile iron pipe's performance in a wildfire scenario. The study burned an HDSS pipe joint at 1,500 degrees for 45 minutes to determine the impact on the assembled pipe joint system. Our HDSS restrained joint pipe survived the fire after 45 minutes in a 1,500-degree fire. After simulating the wildfire event, the HDSS pipe joint was pressure tested to 500 psi for 10 minutes with 0 leaks. Upon inspection, the gasket looked mostly unaffected while still providing a sealed joint. This pipe was tested in above-ground conditions with water flowing at 0.025 gallons per minute. In past wildfires, plastic pipes have even failed in buried applications because PVC and HDPE pipes can catch fire or melt and collapse. With U.S. Pipe ductile iron pipe, you don't have the same concerns during a wildfire event as you would with other pipe materials. Ductile iron pipe provides first responders the ability to combat the wildfire, while local citizens can maintain access to clean and reliable drinking water.